Today we're going to be reviewing what's called the Titanic exercise, and you'll get the reference point in a little second, but this exercise is more of a corrective structural exercise as opposed to a strengthening exercise. The reason for that is one of the most common posture pitfalls that we have is as the head goes forward, literally the middle back collapses back and the pelvis goes forward. So with this exercise, we're addressing those three components. So we're going to start kind of like the wall angel kind of setup. We're going to have our feet about a foot away from the ground, pelvis, lower back, butt against the wall. But now we're going to have a yoga block positioned right in the middle part of the back to now really increase that chest position moving forward. In this position, we're going to have our arms out to the side. We're going to squeeze back as we bring the head back towards the wall. We're squeezing and holding for 5 to 10 seconds, and we're repeating that 10 times for 3 sets. This should help to, again, bring that chest forward and have that pelvis sit closer to where it should be in the midline. So this may look like a simple exercise, but especially if you sit a lot and your spine is very stiff, this will be a very challenging exercise. So again, little by little, this will dramatically improve your posture over time. So hopefully this helped you understand a little bit more about the Titanic exercise.